Food Safety and Standards Authority of India has launched a nationwide crackdown on beverages which are falsely marketed using the term ORS. Now, the body has directed all the states and union territories to immediately remove from sale any fruit-based drinks, ready-to-serve beverages, electrolyte drinks, or even similar products which are misleadingly labeled or promoted as ORS. Now, this directive, which was issued on November 19th, comes after the regulator found that several non-compliant products continue to be sold in retail outlets and even on e-commerce platforms despite repeated warnings that have been coming since October. Now, the body had earlier withdrawn permissions for food companies to use the term ORS in any form, either as standalone word or as a part of brand names, unless the product fully matches the WHO recommended oral rehydration salts formulation. Now, viewers, WHO compliant ORS falls under the Drugs and Cosmetics Act and is categorized as a drug, not as a food product. So, the regulator has now instructed designated officers to carry out urgent inspections across offline as well as online stores and ensure that immediate removal of all the misleading products takes place. In fact, regulatory action will be taken against manufacturers and sellers. Officials have been asked to submit a detailed action report as well, including violations which are detected and products which are reviewed during this process. Now, the FSSAI also flagged instances where enforcement teams mistakenly targeted actual WHO recommended ORS, which are drug products and outside the FSSAI's jurisdiction. Now, the authority has clarified that the crackdown applies only to food and beverage products misusing the term ORS and not to genuine medical ORS sachets. Field officers have been instructed to exercise due diligence and avoid disruption of legitimate ORS products. Meanwhile, health experts say that several so-called ORS drinks contain excessive sugar, lack proper electrolyte balance and may mislead consumers who believe they are buying medically approved ORS. So, with the flavored hydration drinks gaining popularity, you see the food safety body now says that the misuse poses a growing consumer safety risk. All state food safety bodies have now been directed to take immediate action, including rapid inspection drives across e-commerce platforms, pharmacies and supermarkets, immediate delisting of beverages misusing the term ORS, regulatory action against those violating manufacturers, as well as the removal of deceptive products from all retail points. Now, the regulator has also emphasized that the misuse of the ORS label is a deceptive practice that must be stopped to protect public health and uphold regulatory integrity.